right. The question is, why do you think relationships don't last nowadays in comparison to the days of our foreparents?
We've been asking that all morning. Let's hear what some of our smile jammers have to say. But again,
I don't know if that's right across the board. I don't know if that's right across the board.
Well, they do say that, you know, relationships people don't stick and stay anymore. I think it's anecdotal. People are observation.
In days past, you thought they did stay?
I don't know. I'm sure there's some data on that. How many divorces we've had, like in 2017 compared to 1980 something.
But I know my mom and dad were together forever. But I don't think them did so happy together after a while. I don't know.
Mine are going 40 something too.
Huh?
Yep. So.
Them don't get bored after.
You know,
I only see you once a week. I'm bored of you already.
Yeah, and I'm bored of you from the minute I get here.
And it's just once a week, me see you.
Yeah, but you have issues.
How long we gone?
We're gone about 2 years.
We have a relationship. Oh, come here, honey.
No.
2 years.
Let's see what the people have to say on our Facebook
Who is this from, though? It doesn't say who it's from.
This is from somebody. Somebody said, lack of trust, care, attention, love, commitment, and communication can kill any relationship.
So lack of all of those.
Lack of those, yeah.
There you go. Next one says, why are we not seeing who it comes? Or does it matter?
Okay.
Does it matter?
Does.
1, too many persons are in relationships for opportunity. 2, many of us aren't willing to compromise and work out our differences, especially that the breadwinner is not the only educated and working member in the relationship. Oh, interesting. Mm-hmm. Oops.
There was one.
No, the other
side. Your hand, your finger? You're sweating. Go the other way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Why don't some people stay together? Our dancehall music of today has a lot of negative influence towards relationships. All right. That's an opinion.
But even if that is so, why would you allow that to influence your relationship?
Because we're easily influenced by media and music. It sets the trends, it shapes
our
but
if me love you and I want to be with you, nobody can tell me nothing to do.
No, I think it's more than being together. It's kind of like how you see it. It's also about how you're raised. If a culture is one way, then you're going to, especially if you're growing up as a child and you see things one way, that's usually, I think, how you're going to act. It's more than love, you know. Relationships is not just about, oh, I feel so fuzzy every time I see you. As you can see, it doesn't work like that if you're going to stick and stay. It's a commitment. And I think people don't understand. You know what that old man said to me one day? He said, marriage is a business agreement.
Yeah, but if I'm committed to you, no, but not tune can make me...
But people don't know how to commit. Maybe commitment is something that you have to be programmed to do or you have to be taught.
Yeah, here's another one that says social media has taken over our emotions. We send kisses and smiles on the phone, but not in person.
So you don't know how to relate with the person?
I don't. What you call them? Emoji. What is it? So?
You don't speak with emojis?
And I'm not on social media.
No, but you're on WhatsApp a lot. Because I've been peeping in your phone.
You've been peeping in my phone.
All right, let's see. Lots of options, so you can always find a better choice. I don't know about that one. I would say better the devil you know than the one you know.
But there were always options.
Yeah,
exactly. Like I just know all of a sudden you have some man or woman. There were always options.
But I hear we're lacking good men. I hear a lot of women saying in Jamaica that no man not dead boat. And the men are immature. I'm just saying what some of my girlfriends say. This is not my opinion or the views of Television Jamaica. Oh, smile. But they're saying this, Neville, that there aren't a lot of good men and that our men just are lacking.
All right. Instagram says, Annabelle Ramsey, nowadays people enter relationships for the wrong reasons. Okay.
All right. What's this next one saying? Happy Fool?
Happy Full Shellyan, 100%.
Greed and independence. One partner is greedy for more excitement and cheats. The other too independent to forgive.
Alliance 26, we spend more time with our phones than each other.
I think that's a problem. We're not communicating enough, you know? I think that's a very big problem. A very big problem. It's an interference. It's blocking the bond that you two can have if you're always on your phone. And not only that, you're bringing in so many external factors into your sphere, you know? Yeah. Alliance 26.
No, that's gone.
Okay.
Natalie Bale.
Natalie Bale. We live in an era where everything is disposable and everyone is replaceable. No need for repairs when you can easily get a new one. Easily get a new one? Is it that easy to find a mate?
These are not our words. What does phenomenal empress say? Is that
And that
you?
is not me. No, that's not my handle.
But it's spelled like your name. Because she's not empress. She's empress.
And a lot of people spelling it
because they don't respect each other anymore, don't want to be committed, don't want to compromise, and also don't want to satisfy with what they have.
You know, by the end of the show, I'm going to make sure that I share with you what I believe relationships should be and how I believe to stick and stay past. How many years are going? 6 years of wisdom.
You're married 6 years?
I'm married 6 years.
Poor Stephen. Why you're brave?
You mean he's very blessed to have I and I?
Oh.
And no girl they both nicer than me.
Poor Stephen.
I know. I think he married me.
Are you the same way at home as you are on television?
Yeah, I'm the same. I'm wild. You should see me at home. I jump on the couch, I jump on the bed. You know why he married me? Because I can cook.
You play,
but then I stopped cooking for a while.
You play strip me like Mr. and Mrs. You know?
I cannot manage.
Okay.
I love it. What a beautiful Valentine's Day. Okay, tip number 1. If you want to stick and stay in your relationship, play...
Strip me.
Strip me.
I won't tell you that apart, that Mr. and Mrs. Bedia said.
No,
we have a message from Mr. and Mrs. Cupid. Where is it?
When you like someone,
you try to dress up and look nice for him or her.
When you love someone,
you aren't conscious about your looks when you are with him or her.